Can we just take a few seconds to appreciate this silky, absolutely delicious Swiss meringue buttercream? I've been using this recipe for all of my cakes. It's perfectly sweet, so fluffy, it holds its shape, and it's super easy to make. Hello everyone, my name is Gracie from MapleRoad, and today I'm sharing my Swiss meringue buttercream recipe.
It's so fluffy, I'm gonna die!
To get started, prep your bowl using white vinegar and a clean cloth. I'm using paper towel. There's probably a better way to do this, but I'm just dabbing the vinegar onto the paper towel. We just need enough just like this. Then wipe the whole bowl with it. This step ensures that our bowl is completely clean, there's no leftover butter or fat because that can totally jeopardize our meringue. Meringues don't properly whip if it gets in contact with even just a tiny bit of fat. It's also important to do the same with your spatula and whisk attachment. To the bowl, let's add our ingredients: 150 grams egg whites, 300 grams of sugar, a quarter teaspoon of cream of tartar, and a pinch of salt. Stir these ingredients and place over a bain-marie. Here I'm just showing you the motion that I do once this is over a bain-marie. Make sure to continuously stir the mixture until it reaches 160 degrees Fahrenheit. It should take about 10 to 15 minutes on medium heat. You might notice that there's crystallization happening in your bowl. Make sure to use the tip of your spatula to really scrape off the sides of your bowl, and then just keep stirring.
A few minutes later.
Once it reaches 160 degrees Fahrenheit, we are ready to whisk. 158, 161, there you go. Whisk the mixture on medium to high until stiff peaks form. Now time for ASMR. Let's cut the butter into pieces. This butter is straight from the fridge. It's cold and it's what's perfect for our buttercream. Okay, that's weird. After chopping the butter, your meringue should be ready. This is how you want your consistency. See the whisk holding itself? Oh, and that peak. It's so perfect. This is how we want our consistency to be. Nothing's fallen off. We're golden. To our meringue, we then add 100 grams of vegetable shortening. I use Sweetex. It tastes way better than the shortening from the grocery stores. This is the consistency after adding the shortening. Once that's been whisked, we want to add 300 grams of cold and cubed butter along with 2 teaspoons vanilla extract. Then whisk again to this consistency. And that, my friends, is how you make Swiss meringue buttercream. Wasn't that easy? Comment below if you're going to try this recipe and let me know if you have any questions. If you like this video, please like and subscribe. If you're on Instagram, please stop on my page at maple.road to see how I decorate my cakes using Swiss meringue buttercream. I hope to see you in my next video.